got to be saying, people, so we've had an absolutely great suggestion there, which is Jaeger and a Buzzball. It's the first one that sounds really nice. Gonna make it in a Jaeger cup because obviously, shot of Jaeger. And we can use like the red Buzzball as the energy drink. Red Buzzball. He's had a little bit of an overspill, but there you go. The Buzzball Jaeger bomb. Now this I'm excited to try. Cheers. Really nice. Really, really great suggestion. Cheers for that, Alf. That was absolutely outstanding. If you ever get the opportunity to make them, I'd really recommend you make them. That was an absolutely outstanding suggestion. Once again, let me know what we should mix a Buzzball with next in the comments. Bosh.